Hello brother. Okay, I'll show you how to give access of Facebook ad account. To give access of Facebook ad account, first of all you need to go to your Facebook page. It will be easy way. In many way you can give, but it will be very easy way. You'll come to your page. This is my page. Then you will come to business manager. Click here. You click on Meta Business Suites. Okay. Then you will find Ad Manager. You will have Ad Manager, then Campaign. Okay, then you will find your business manager. Okay, you will click here, then you will find business manager. Under business manager, you find your ad account. So there's some ad account. This is the ad account. This is personal. You can give me access of your personal account. You have to create your business manager, then you have to create account. Okay, so you will find here your business manager. Business manager, find account. Okay, suppose this is the ad account. If you want to give access of the ad account, then you will click here, settings. Let me authenticate my apps. It's authentication, verification. It is verification. Just I will verify it. Nine, eight, eight. Okay. Then you will add here. You will come to user. Then you will add here people. Okay. You will invite the people. You will click here. Then you will write my email. My email ODI since 2012 at that gmail.com. Okay, ODI since 2012. Then you will click enter. You'll find this way. Then you will click on next, and then this is the partial access. If you give partial access, then I cannot assign my teammate, so I request you to give you full access. You click here, full access. Then you will click next, and then you will find here some other asset, Facebook page, ad account. So you can give all of asset access, all of assets, but now I need ad account access. Okay, you click here ad account, then you will find your ad account, which ad account you want to give me access. Okay, suppose you want to give access this ad account. You will click here, then you will give me full control. Then you will click next. Here you click here invite with an asset. So you understand how to give access. If you give access this way, so then I'll get it. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you very much.